In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make alternative accounts for Steam in just 5 minutes. First, let's get started by opening the Steam app. If you haven't done so already, make sure you've downloaded and installed the Steam client on your device. The icon should be easy to spot on your desktop or applications folder. Go ahead and double click it to open it up. Once Steam is up and running, you'll want to click on the login button. This is usually found in the top right hand corner of the app. Clicking this will bring you to the login page where you'll need to enter your existing account name and password. Make sure to double check your details to avoid any login issues. Once you're confident that everything's correct, go ahead and click on sign in. This action will take you straight to your Steam homepage. From here you can access a wide variety of features and games, but today we're focusing on creating alternative accounts. Now take a look at the top left corner of the window. There you'll find this Steam menu. Give it a click and a drop down list will appear. From this list you need to select change account. Selecting this option will lead you to a verification step. Don't worry though, it's pretty straightforward. A checkbox will appear, simply mark it to agree to the terms, and then click continue. As soon as you do this, you'll notice that the Steam app will automatically restart. This is a normal part of the process, so don't be alarmed. After the restart, on the login screen, look for an icon or option labelled add account. Clicking this will allow you to log into a different Steam account or create a new one entirely. With the login screen in front of you, enter the credentials of another existing Steam account. If you don't have another account and want to create a new one, you can choose the Join Steam option and follow the prompts to set up a new account. Once you've completed this step, you'll be logged into a different Steam account, and you've successfully created an alternative Steam account setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you are now able to switch between multiple accounts seamlessly, whether for gaming, development, or any other purpose you might have. Remember, each Steam account operates independently, so any progress or purchases are specific to that account. Be sure to keep track of your account details to ensure a smooth experience. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.